and welcome to this episode of the IT Global Panvision.
Today's episode is sponsored by Apurva Associates, Mangalore.
First, the news headlines. Carmel Hill wears a festive look, Infant Jesus Shrine all set to celebrate the annual feast. Coastal City's first ever Falguni Netravati Kamla held at Pelikula. Golden Jubilee celebrations of Kerala Samajam Mangalore begins. Here is what we have in our entertainment bash. A song by Prakash Mahadevan from the 6th Vincent Night, duet by Ronnie Krasta and Meera from the Christmas celebrations held by Perampalli parishioners, and a dance from Maxim Pereira's Boom Boom live show.
Apurva for Apt Lab.
The news in detail. The Carmelite priests from Belgium who had come to Mangalore in 1947 built a monastery on Carmel Hill. Later, they built a shrine there and dedicated it to Infant Jesus. Over the years, Carmel Hill has grown into a pilgrimage center, and people in large numbers visit the shrine seeking blessings of Infant Jesus. The shrine is celebrating its annual feast and preparations are in full swing. We have a report on this. The Carmel Hill, which attracts thousands of devotees in and around Mangalore, is all set to celebrate its annual feast, which would be held on Thursday, January 10th. Infant Jesus Shrine, constructed on Carmel Hill at Bikkarnakatte, is situated at a distance of 6 kilometers from Mangalore and is surrounded by Koddal, Bendore, Angelore and Bondel parishes. The Carmel Hill, a barren hill about 56 years ago, has now turned into a holy place. Thousands of devotees, irrespective of their religion, come here and offer their prayers to Infant Jesus. Novenas are offered to the Infant Jesus on every Thursday, which attracts a huge crowd. The Carmelite priests from Belgium who had come to Mangalore in 1947 settled down at Carmel Hill in 1954. Infant Jesus Shrine, a magnificent church, was inaugurated on January 11, 1996. The architectural structure of the shrine is excellent. The basement of the church, encircled by the 5 huge columns, symbolizes the palm of the hand of God. There is also a place reserved for offering silent prayers. According to Father Nelson Pinto, in charge of the shrine, people in large numbers visit the shrine every day and get courage to face their problems.
You know, now whoever comes here, they feel that surrounding is so calm, quiet, and a wonderful atmosphere to pray. And many people have come and told me, the moment they come inside the shrine, they experience that kind of peace. And the people come here with many problems, tensions, and sufferings. They come here, spend 5, 10, 15 minutes. And by then, the problems are not solved. They are there, but then they get a strength or courage that we can face this problem. We can live with this. So with this renewed strength, they go back happily. And therefore, every day they come and they make it a point to spend their time here.
The Novena of Infant Jesus, which is an immediate spiritual preparation of annual feast of Infant Jesus at Carmel Hill at Bikkarnakatte, has already started from January 1st. Various preachers from Mangalore Diocese and other dioceses are coming to Bikkarnakatte here to preach during the 9-day novena of Infant Jesus. The Holy Eucharistic Mass will be held at 6 p.m. on Thursday, January 10th, which would be celebrated by Dr. Peter Machado, Bishop of Belgaum. Authorities at the shrine are taking all efforts to avoid any inconveniences to the devotees during the feast. Father Nelson Pinto informed that a bypass road has been built this time to avoid traffic congestion which arises during the feast. People from different places of the country speaking different languages have made Mangalore their home. And Keralites too live in Mangalapuram, as they call Mangalore, in large number here. Kerala Samajam Mangalore, an association of Malayalis, turned 50 recently, and to mark the occasion, a grand function was held at Town Hall. Kerala Samajam Mangalore, a cultural organization catering to the social and cultural needs of Keralites living in and around Mangalore, completed 50 years. To mark the celebration, Samajam organized a grand function at Town Hall on Tuesday, January 8th. Renowned Malayalam writer Professor M.K. Sanu, inaugurating the Golden Jubilee celebrations, appealed to the Malayalis to preserve and uphold the uniqueness of their language and culture.
മറ്റവരെല്ലാം അധ്യാപകരാണ് സാറെന്ന് വിളിക്കുമ്പോൾ ഇദ്ദേഹത്തെ മനുഷ്യ എന്നാണ് പറയുന്നത്. അങ്ങനെ ഒരു ഗ്രേഡ് കുറഞ്ഞ അവസ്ഥയിൽ മലയാള ഭാഷാധ്യാപകർ കഴിഞ്ഞിരുന്ന കാലത്തും ഈ മനുഷ്യന്മാർ ഭാഷാധ്യാപകന്മാർ ഒരു വലിയ നേട്ടം നമ്മുടെ സംസ്ഥാനത്തിന് കൈവരുത്തിയിട്ടുണ്ട്. ആ വലിയ നേട്ടം എന്താണെന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ പാശ്ചാത്യ നാഗരികതയുടെ വിഭ്രാന്തികളിൽ മയങ്ങിക്കഴിഞ്ഞിരുന്ന നമ്മുടെ
Nitte Education Trust President N. Vinay Hegde, Yenapoya Group of Institutions Chairman Y. Abdullah Kunni, Kannur MP AP Abdullah Kutti, Mangalore Kerala Samajam President T. K. Rajan, Secretary K. Vasudevan and Vice President P. D. Sebastian were present. Well, we have one more story on the Falguni Netravati Jodukere Kamla that was held for the first time in Pilikula. But after this short break, so don't go anywhere, we will be right back.
ಏನು ಮನೆ ಕಟ್ಟಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೊರಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಹೌದೌದು.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬಜೆಟ್ ಮತ್ತು ಎಸ್ಟಿಮೇಟ್ಗೆ ಟ್ಯಾಲಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ? ಪರಿಹಾರ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಮನೆ ನಿರ್ಮಾಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಸುದೀರ್ಘ ಅನುಭವವಿರುವ ಅಪೂರ್ವ ಸಮರ್ಪಿಸುತ್ತಿದೆ ಅತ್ಯಾಧುನಿಕ ಅತ್ಯಪೂರ್ವ ಹಾಗೂ ಸುಸಜ್ಜಿತ ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ಗಳು. ನಗರದಲ್ಲಿ ಮನೆ ಮಾತಾಗಿರುವ ಅಪೂರ್ವದ ಗ್ರಾಹಕರು ಹೀಗಿರುತ್ತಾರೆ.
I had lot of dreams and Apurva made it possible.
ದುಂಬು ಯಾನು ಅಪೂರ್ವದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕಾಲಿ ಕೇಂದಿತ್ತೆ ಅಂಡೈತೆ ನನ್ನ ಸ್ವಂತ ಅನುಭವಡು ಅಕಲ್ನ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಎಂಕ ಪರಿಪೂರ್ಣ ತೃಪ್ತಿ ಉಂಟು.
ತಕ್ಷಣ ಸಂಪರ್ಕಿಸಿ ಅಪೂರ್ವ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಟ್ಸ್, ಆಶೀಶ್ ಅಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಕೊಡಿಯಾಲ್ ಗುಟ್ಟು ಈಸ್ಟ್, ಕೊಡಿಯಾಲ್ ಬೈಲ್, ಮಂಗಳೂರು. ಫೋನ್ 24924117.
दिर्वे कोंगणी हप्ताळे सादर करता 240 विल्फिनाय जानेर 13 आयतारा संजेर 6 वरार सा लुईस कॉलेजीच्या उक्त्या मैदानार.
History was created on Wednesday, January 9th at Dakshina Kannada's most attractive tourist destination, Pilikula Nisargadama, when, for the first time, the district administration organized Kamla, the folk art of Tulunadu. Kamlas are usually held under the patronage of temples and Guttu houses. But this time, the district administration built a magnificent traditional Guttu house at Pilikula, and the twin-track Falguni Netravati Kamla was held next to it.
Every day, Pilikula Nisargadama attracts a large number of people, and on Wednesday, January 9th too, a large crowd visited Pilikula, but this time to witness Falguni Netravati Twin Track Kamla, organized by Dakshina Kannada District Administration. Deputy Commissioner M. Maheshwar Rao inaugurated the Kamla. About 70 pairs of buffaloes participated in the Kamla. Zilla Panchayat President Sucharita Shetty, former MLAs Yogesh Bhatt and Krishna Palemar, Zilla Panchayat CEO A.M. Kunjappa, Mangalore Taluk Panchayat President Shriyala Hegde, Mudshedde Gram Panchayat President Kavita Dinesh, MESCOM Managing Director Sumant and others were present. J.R. Lobo, Executive Director of Pilikula Nisargadama Society, speaking to TV Daiji World, said that the district administration hosted the traditional buffalo race to preserve this unique art of Dakshina Kannada.
For the first time we are organizing Kambla activity in Pilikula Nisargadama Heritage Village. The very purpose of this Kambla is to conserve the culture and heritage of this area and showcase it to the outer world also, and make it as a means of promoting tourism in this part of the district, I mean both the districts of Dakshina Kannada and Udupi. Heritage Village is a place here which is we are developing in 35 acres of land in Pilikula Nisargadama, where the village which was existing 200 years back in this erstwhile Dakshina Kannada, that village we are recreating here and showcasing to the future generation. And Kambla is one of the major activity of this heritage village, major tourist event where we can really attract domestic tourists as well as tourists from abroad.
Prestigious buffalo pairs like those belonging to Mudbidri Karinje Vinu Vishwanath Shetty, Barkur Shantaram Shetty, Muchur Kalkude Lokesh Shetty, Karinja Purushottam Pujari, Suratkal Sarvottam Madhav Prabhu, Upinangadi Pattaje Ram Prasad, Panapil Nandotur Yuvraj Hegde took part in the Kambla. On the whole, it was a feast for the Kambla enthusiasts who thronged Nisargadama from faraway places.
Before we move on to our entertainment bash, we will take a break here. After the break, we will bring you lots of music and entertainment programs, so don't miss it.
ಮನುಷ್ಯನ ದಿನನಿತ್ಯದ ಅಗತ್ಯಗಳಿಗೆ ಆಸರೆ ಮನೆ. ಅದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕನಸಿನ ಹಾಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಹುಡುಕಾಟವೇ? ಬನ್ನಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕನಸನ್ನು ನನಸಾಗಿಸುವ ವಸತಿ ಗೃಹಗಳು ಇಲ್ಲಿವೆ.
ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಮನೆ ಬಾಲ್ಯದ ಕನಸಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಅಪೂರ್ವದಿಂದ ನನಸಾಗಿದೆ.
ಆಶೀಶ್, ಅಪೂರ್ವ, ಅಭಿನವ್, ಅಭಿಷೇಕ್, ಅಮೃತ ಇವುಗಳ ಸಾಲಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸೇರಿದೆ ಅನನ್ಯ, ಅದ್ವೈತ್, ಅಪೇಕ್ಷಾ, ಅಶ್ವಿನಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಅಭಿರಾಮ್.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಟು ಅಪೂರ್ವ.
ತಕ್ಷಣ ಸಂಪರ್ಕಿಸಿ ಅಪೂರ್ವ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಟ್ಸ್, ಆಶೀಶ್ ಅಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಕೊಡಿಯಾಲ್ಗುತ್ತು ಈಸ್ಟ್, ಕೊಡಿಯಾಲ್ ಬೈಲ್, ಮಂಗಳೂರು.